I've done a few different videos on how to take the creases out of a pair of leather shoes, and today I'm going to do another one, but it's a much more simplified version. All I'm going to use is my shoe trees, obviously, leather honey, which is a leather conditioner, and a hairdryer, and that's all you need. This isn't about stopping the leather from creasing, because the leather's always going to crease. It's designed to crease. That's what makes it hard wearing. What we're trying to do is preserve the leather and stop it from cracking. Cracking is the thing that's going to destroy your leather, and this process is going to stop the leather from cracking. So the three things we need to achieve this are the structure, which is going to come from the shoe trees, moisture, which comes from the leather honey, and heat, which comes from the hairdryer. So I'm going to, as usual, put one to one side and just concentrate on the other shoe. So again, put the shoe tree in. Normally, I would say laces out, shoe trees in. This time, I'm going to tighten it up so that the leather is tighter over the shoe tree. So give that a little bit of tension. So with this, what I'm going to do is just put a dab onto my fingertips, a small amount, and then just work it in. Dots all over, and then just, you can see why it's called leather honey, because it really has that consistency. It gives it a shine and a health that that looks really nice. You don't need very much of it. So what I'm doing is applying one very thin layer, massaging it into the leather over the creases, and then we'll do another thin layer to complement it. And this process actually works with any leather shoe. They don't have to be the best quality shoes to make it worthwhile doing this. In fact, the poorer the quality of the shoe, the more they're going to benefit from this sort of treatment, because the poorer the quality of the shoe, the more likely they're going to be to crack, and the less lifespan you would naturally get out of them. So it's a good way of eking all the life you can out of your shoes. So we're not permanently removing creases. I've had lots of comments from people saying, yes, but the next time you wear them, they'll just crease again. Yes, they will. Of course they'll crease again. They're designed to crease. We want the shoes to crease. What we don't want to do is for the shoes to crack. And that's what we're doing. This is a preventative measure to stop the shoes from cracking. It's when the shoes crack, that's when it becomes almost terminal for the shoes. So if we can prevent that, then you're going to get more life out of them. And as you can see, with a couple of coats of the leather honey, it's moisturized the shoes, released the creases, and it hasn't significantly darkened the leather. Now you can leave it like that if you want, but at this stage, I'm going to give it a quick blast with the hairdryer. What that's going to do is warm up the leather, and it's the warming and cooling that's going to give it the benefit. So what we're going to do is warm the leather, massage the leather so that the creases come out under fingertip pressure. That's all it is. And then when it cools around the shoe tree, it cools in the shape that we give it at this stage. So that's it, nicely warmed now. Now, you can also use a heat gun, as I've done in the past, but you have to be really careful with a heat gun because it does have a much more intense heat than a hairdryer. So I'm just going to give it one final coat with the leather honey while it's warm. Paying close attention to the creases right behind the toes. And then I'm just going to leave it at that to cool down. So that's just one product, and the rest of the equipment you'll have lying around the house. And as I say, there's no wax, there's no other polishes or pigmented dyes or anything like that. So just that one thing really does bring your shoes back to life. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you've tried this or other techniques, let me know in the comments, and I will see you next time.